Hey everyone, my name is Michaela and I'm here to talk to you about our prepaid maintenance plans that we have to offer here at Desert Harley-Davidson. The first package that we're going to talk about today is our launch package. Now this is for new bikes only and it's a 2-year 2-service plan. The benefits for this package include a free annual road trip inspection, as well as top priority scheduling, in-today, out-today service as long as you schedule ahead of time, as well as a post-bike wash included after each service. The best part about this is we do offer free delivery or pickup within a 25-mile radius of the store. We do offer 10% off when you purchase your next package, which is either the Elite or the Premier. Each service gets the Sin 3 synthetic upgrade on all plans. Our next package that we are going to talk about is our Premier. This is a 2-year 3-service plan. In order to qualify, you have to be under 10 years old for that bike, which is pretty much anything newer than 2015, as well as under 35,000 miles. The benefits included in this package are free annual road trip inspection, in-today, out-today service as long as you schedule ahead of time, as well as top priority scheduling. You also do get free post-bike washes after each service, and we do offer free delivery and pickup within a 25-mile radius. Each service gets the Sin 3 synthetic upgrade on all plans. All right, now our best save for last is our Elite package. This package is a 3-year unlimited service plan. This is for bikes anything under 5 years old, and that includes anything newer than 2020, as well as under 25,000 miles. The benefits included in this package is an exclusive Desert Harley-Davidson patch. You also do receive double the rider rewards points, whether that's in parts department, service department, even motor clothes. The best part about this package is if you were to trade in your bike and decide to buy another package on top of that, you do get $200 off with that trade-in value. All right, you'll also receive free post-bike washes for each service that you use during this package, which is unlimited. So that could be as many post-bike washes that you want with those services, as well as a free annual road trip inspection. Each service gets the Sin 3 synthetic upgrade on all plans. Come down to Desert Harley-Davidson and see which package you may qualify for.